So once you have the bulb in there, just twist it. And you have to make sure, you see those lines? See how you can see a line in the middle, you can see light on that side and that side. You'll have to make sure they're light in. Right where this is at, the bulb is right here. So anyways, whenever you slide your LED in there, make sure you see how you have an LED on that side and one on that side. You don't want the LEDs to be like that. You want it to be just like this. So you can have an LED on that side and one on this side. Because if you put them like this, and you're not gonna be able to see that good. Just plug it in. There you go. Come right here. Slide that bulb in there again.